Hi everyone, it's Tech-splained by Chow Fun here. Today we're going to go through a topic that everyone has heard of but very misunderstood by the mainstream, AI. No, your computers aren't suddenly going to stand up and become an Arnold Schwarzenegger-like Terminator. AI is going to be so much more. A new kind of creativity. Introducing generative AI. Machines are now creating. This is the incredible power of generative AI. Generative AI doesn't just analyze data, it uses what it learns to create something entirely new. Imagine a computer writing a poem, composing a symphony, or painting a masterpiece. This is generative AI in action. It's a new frontier of creativity powered by algorithms and data. Generative AI learns patterns and structures from massive data sets. This could be text, images, music, or even computer code. Once it understands the underlying rules, it can generate new, original content. The results are often stunning, blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. This technology is not just mimicking human creativity, it's offering a new perspective, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Generative AI is not about replacing human artists. Instead, it's about giving us new tools for expression. It's about augmenting our own creativity and exploring uncharted artistic territories. Let's meet some AI artists. In the realm of language, AI is a master storyteller. It can write poems, scripts, even news articles. Imagine feeding a computer the works of Shakespeare. It could then generate text with a similar style and structure. AI can also compose music. It can analyze different musical styles and create original melodies, harmonies, and rhythms. Imagine listening to a piece of music that evokes the same emotions as a Beethoven symphony, but with a unique AI-generated twist. Visual art is another canvas for AI creativity. AI can create stunning images and animations. It can even imitate the styles of famous painters or generate completely abstract art. Imagine feeding an AI system thousands of images of landscapes. It could then paint its own unique landscapes full of color, light, and detail. These examples are just a glimpse into the creative potential of AI. Several platforms are leading the generative AI revolution. One such platform is ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is a large language model that excels at generating human-like text. It can answer your questions, write stories, summarize topics, and even translate languages. ChatGPT is a powerful tool for communication and content creation. In the world of visual art, Midjourney and DALL are making waves. Midjourney allows users to create stunning images from text descriptions. Imagine typing in a futuristic city skyline at sunset and having Midjourney generate a breathtaking image. DALL, also developed by OpenAI, creates highly realistic and detailed images from complex prompts. Imagine asking DALL to create an armchair in the shape of an avocado, and watching it generate just that. Google's MusicLM uses deep learning to generate high-fidelity music in various styles. Imagine describing your desired mood, tempo, and instrumentation to MusicLM, and then listening as it composes a unique piece of music. These platforms are just the tip of the iceberg. As more developers explore generative AI, we can expect even more innovative platforms to emerge. AI at work transforming industries today. Generative AI is already transforming various industries. In advertising, AI creates compelling marketing copy, product descriptions, and eye-catching visuals. This allows marketers to target their audiences more effectively. The healthcare industry benefits from AI analyzing medical images to help doctors detect diseases earlier and with greater accuracy. AI is also used to develop new drugs and therapies, accelerating medical discovery. The entertainment industry embraces AI to create more immersive experiences. AI generates realistic 3D models for video games, special effects for movies, and even writes scripts for TV shows. These are just a few examples of how generative AI is used today. As the technology evolves, we can expect more innovative applications. Generative AI is transforming industries and improving lives in countless ways. The future is AI personalized experiences and beyond. The future of generative AI is full of exciting possibilities. One of the most promising areas is personalized experiences. Imagine a world where your newsfeed is curated specifically for your interests, your clothes are designed to fit perfectly, and your entertainment is tailored to your tastes. Generative AI could revolutionize education. Imagine AI tutors providing personalized lessons, adapting to each student's learning style and pace. AI could create interactive learning environments, making education more engaging and effective. In scientific discovery, generative AI could accelerate breakthroughs in fields like medicine, materials science, and climate change. AI could analyze vast data sets to identify patterns and make connections that humans might miss. This could lead to new life-saving drugs, sustainable materials, and innovative solutions to combat climate change. The possibilities are endless. As AI evolves, it will lead to even more transformative applications. The AI challenge: navigating the ethical landscape. While the potential of generative AI is vast, it's important to acknowledge the challenges and ethical considerations. One concern is the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes. For example, AI could create fake news articles or deepfake videos that mislead the public. Another concern is bias. AI algorithms trained on biased datasets can perpetuate and amplify these biases. This could lead to unfair outcomes in areas like hiring, lending, and criminal justice. The issue of intellectual property is also complex with AI-generated content. It's crucial to develop ethical guidelines and regulations for AI. We need to ensure AI systems are transparent, accountable, and aligned with human values. The promise of AI, a force for good. The future of AI is bright. Generative AI can revolutionize the way we create, work, learn, and play. It can augment our abilities, solve complex problems, and unlock new realms of creativity. The key is to approach this technology with a sense of wonder and responsibility. We need to ensure AI is developed and used ethically, addressing issues of bias, privacy, and misuse. If we navigate these challenges successfully, AI can be a powerful force for good. The future is not about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together to create a better future. Let's embrace this exciting new frontier with open minds and a shared commitment to using AI for the benefit of all. And that's AI in a nutshell. What do you think? Are you excited for the possibilities, or are you more concerned about the impact AI will have on society? Remember to leave a comment about what you think, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.